Hi, my name is Chris Hopkins with Reàl Infused Exotics. Thank you for joining us in the latest in our cocktail installment series as we dive into all the amazing flavors that we have to work with when it comes to making cocktails at home. This drink is one of my decadent, indulgent kind of flavors I love to incorporate, which is the Reàl Banana, with a drink that I like to call flipping out. Let's get started. First off, we're going to start with 3 ounces of Guinness 0.0. That stout gives it a nice rich body in the cocktail. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of oat milk to give a little body and creaminess to it. Next, we're going to add 1 ounce of the Reàl Banana. That's going to give all those beautiful candied banana flavors, all those kind of burnt sugar notes and everything else going on there. Really brings this cocktail together. And then to literally bring this cocktail together and bind everything, we're going to add a whole egg. We're going to add some ice. Let's shake. We're going to strain this into our cocktail glass or martini glass. And then to finish it off, we're just going to put a little pinch of chocolate powder on top, because chocolate and bananas go delicious together. And there we have it, the flipping out cocktail. My name's Chris Hopkins with Reàl Infused Exotics. Thank you so much for joining us in the latest in our cocktail series. We can't wait to host you again as we find out all the great things that you're mixing up at home with your favorite flavors. Until then, cheers.